We continue to ask for feedback from our clients consistently, and they give us great feedback, and that allows us to continue to grow and develop and improve what we do. I could give many examples, but one example would be I was working with Dr. John Horn, superintendent of schools in Mesquite, Texas, a district of about 50, 60 schools, and he said, "Marvin, this notebook with all of our chapters," he said, "that is just great information." But he said, "It's kind of like a master's degree. There's just so much information there, it's hard to get our hands around that." He said, I want to give you a homework assignment. I want you this summer to try to find a way to create some icons that make it easier for people to understand and buy into and use these concepts." So I accepted the challenge. That summer, I reread Stephen Covey's 7 Habits several times. And he made that so simple. He created everything around 7 habits. And I thought, surely I can take these 10 dimensions and find a way to create a conceptual framework. And so I ended up, over that summer, we created our first star. Now this is about the 5th generation of the star. But we created a star, and at the very center of the star is our mission and our goals. Our first dimension on goal focus. To what degree do we have clarity of goals, acceptance goals, and supportive goals? So goal focus is at the very heart of everything we do. So how do we share decisions? We want to make every decision as close as possible to the point of implementation. We want to empower people consistent with their readiness levels. We want to build cohesive teams that are focused on the mission of the organization. We want to be able to give people freedom, but with freedom comes responsibility as they grow from dependence to interdependence. And we also want to be sure we have quality control strategies. So John Horn is personally responsible for me spending time trying to create some icons that would capture the essence of organizational health. So I want to thank John personally for that, because it has really helped us take this to another level, and we've been able to integrate the work of Stephen Covey from dependence to independence to interdependence within this construct.